Hola everyone, this is Wayne from Wayne's Mystery World, and in this video I am going to show you how to make a paper handgun. So we used to make these back in the days. I'm talking like more than 15, 16, 17 years ago. Yeah, I'm that old. So I used to play Indian and policeman and criminal, you know, games kids used to play while we were growing up back in the days. Nowadays, I don't know if these kids in 21st century make these things and play these type of games, but yeah, here goes. How to make a paper handgun. So we're gonna need 2 sheets of paper. Whether it has lines in it or not doesn't matter. So first sheet of paper, I'm gonna roll it up like this from the side because I need it to be a bit longer. So I'm going to take it from the side and I'm going to roll it up about this width. I'm going to continue rolling. I'm going to continue rolling. Roll. Rolling. I'm going to make sure this is pretty flat. So now that we have this rolled up, we're going to bend it like this. We're going to bend one end like this, depending on, and then we're going to bend the other end like this. So it looks pretty much like this. And then you're going to bend it after you have it like this. Then you're going to bend it inside, not outwards but inside. So you're going to bend it inside like this. So this should actually be the handle of the paper gun. So I'm going to set this one side. Get the other sheet of paper. I'm gonna roll it up, not too big. Roll it up, roll it up, roll that baby up, roll, 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 roll. So now we have this rolled up. Put this in the picture right here. We have this rolled up. We're gonna bend it whichever way you want, whether here or like this, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna bend it like this, equal lengths, and then we're gonna push it through like this. So get this here, push this through, push this through. So it comes out at the top. Sometimes it will not come out because you made this a little bit too wide, so you can adjust the width. But get mine through the top. So get it through the top. Aha, and voila, This is your paper handgun. So this is what we used to make back in the days as kids growing up. So yeah, we used to play policeman and Indian and all that stuff. So bang bang. So this is it, folks. A simple video on how to make a paper handgun. So until the next time, this is Wayne from Wayne's Mystery World, and peace out. If you like this video, you can hit that like button, subscribe and share my video. So peace out, folks. Peace.